Now let us learn about base class pointer and derived class object. So let us take some example classes, then I'll show you. Here is a base class, base, and it is having just functions. I will not write complete function, just I will write their signatures here. There is function 1, void, function 2, I'm not implementing them, and function 3. Suppose these are 3 functions present in this base class. Now I will have a class derived, that is inheriting from base class, and this is also having some functions, public, void, function 4, void, function 5. We are not bothered about the body of those functions. If you want, you can implement them outside using scope resolution, but for understanding, just the signatures are sufficient, prototypes are sufficient. So I have taken prototypes. Now let us talk about this. I have a main function, or whenever I write something here, it's like main function only. Here I will create an object of base class B. Now on this B, what are the functions I can call? I can call function 1, function 2, and function 3. B dot function 3. I can call all those functions which are present inside base class. This is a simple thing. See, before going on to the actual topic, I am just building up, right? So few things I am revising, then we'll go to the actual thing. Now, instead of base class, if I take it as derived class object, let us the name be B only. Now, what are the other functions that I can call? I can call function 4 as well as I can call function 5. Because what are the functions present in derived class? 2 functions that are its own, and the 3 functions is borrowing from base class. So you create base class object, you can call those function. You create derived class object, you can call this function. This is a simple thing that we already know. Now I'm going to make changes here. Okay, I'll remove this and show you something different here. I take a base class pointer P. Yes, you can take the pointer of any type, right? Pointer which can store the address. Now to this P, I will assign the object of new derived class. Derived. I will assign the object of derived class. Is it possible that a base class pointer pointing on derived class object? Yes, it is possible. Yes, it is possible. Next, I want to call functions P caps fun1. Yes, I can call. P caps fun2. Yes, I can call. P caps fun3. Yes, I can call. Now the question is, which functions will be called? Pointer is of one class, but the object is of another class. Pointer is base class, object is derived class. Whose functions will be called? The base class functions will be called. These functions will be called. These functions. Next, can I call P caps function 4? No, you cannot call. Can I call P caps function 5? No, you cannot call. See, the point that we learn here is that you can have a base class pointer and a derived class object attached to it, and you can call only those functions which are present in base class. You cannot call the functions which are defined in derived class, though the object is a derived class object. Object is derived class object, right? So you can call only those functions which are present in the base class, because the pointer, a reference or a pointer is base class. So you can call the functions which are available in base class. So let us understand this conceptually. Let us understand the conceptually. Suppose there is a class called rectangle, and there is a class called cuboid. Already we wrote this. Can I have a pointer of rectangle and the object of cuboid? Yes. So it is just like the conceptual meaning. If you take out from this one, you have a cuboid drawn here. Okay, let us say this is a cuboid. Now I am saying that it's a rectangle. Am I wrong? I am right, partially right, but I am right. I'm not totally wrong, right? I'm not defining it completely, but I am saying it's rectangular. Let us say it's rectangular. Yes, it's a rectangular. So to an object of cuboid, you can have a pointer of base class that is rectangle. This is allowed. Okay, let me separate it like this. This is allowed. You can say this. And once you said it's a rectangle, it means you don't know that it's a cuboid, you don't know that it is having height, you don't know that you can calculate volume. That's the meaning. Then what you know when you are saying rectangle, you know how to calculate area and you know how to calculate perimeter. So that's it. You can call only those functions that are present in the rectangle class. You cannot call the functions of a cuboid class. That's it. This is the idea. Now I will give you one more conceptual example on this one. Let us take one more example. Suppose there is a basic car. Basic car. Basic car means having basic features of a car. Nothing is automated. No extra features. Except from driving part, there is no other thing. Like there is no air conditioner. There is no media player. There are no automatic window sliding. And there is no keyless entry. Nothing is there in that one. Then you have an advanced car. An advanced car is inheriting from basic car. Advanced car is inheriting from basic car. So can you have a pointer of basic car? Yes. And to that pointer, can you assign an object of advanced car? Yes. And when you use basic class pointer, basic car class pointer, and you call the functions, which functions you can call? You can call only the functions which are present in basic car. It is just like you know basic car, but there is an advanced car here with all the extra features in the car, right? So some extra features are there. Now that is the advanced car example. Okay, don't go on the diagram, just roughly sketch I have given. So that is the advanced car. I am saying that is a basic car. Am I right or wrong? I am right. It's more than basic car. But what I said basic car is completely there in that one because it is inheriting from this one. So I'm not wrong. But when I think that is a basic car, do you think I can drive it like an advanced car? I don't know. I know all the advanced features. I don't know all advanced features. I know only basic features. So when you have a pointer of base class, you can call only those functions which are present inside base class. You cannot call the functions of derived class. That's it. So conceptually I give you the idea that if you have a base class pointer and a derived class object assigned to it, so you cannot call advanced functions, you can call only basic function. But whose functions will be called? Base class functions that are available there, those functions will be called. So you can have a base class pointer and object of derived class attached to it, and you can call only those functions which are present in the base class. Now I'll give you one more thing, one more idea. Is it possible that I have a derived class pointer and I will assign the object of base class? Is it possible? No, not possible. Why? Let us see. See, I have a basic car. I have a basic car. Okay. And this basic car, now I am calling it as advanced car. I am wrong. If I say advanced car, many of the features of advanced car are not available in that one. If I think that it is advanced car, I cannot use the features. If I try keyless entry, it's not there. If I try to open moonroof, it's not there. If I try to start AC, it's not there. So that's it. So it means the methods of advanced car are not present in basic car. So you cannot call basic car as an advanced car. But the other way you can do, advanced car is there, you can call it as it's a car, basic car. Yes, it's there. So in real life also, like I have taken the examples of real life. So in real life, what we think, what we talk, that same thing we are writing in programming. Same thing we are writing in programming. So you can have a base class pointer and have an object of derived class and call only those functions that are present in base class. You cannot take the pointer of derived class and have an object of base class. That is wrong. That's it. Let us try this one.